these 4 videos are about implementation of a very simple blockchain with Python. It's the illustration of the core idea behind a blockchain. I would say it's a kind of proof of concept. This project has a web user interface that I built with the Flask framework. I have created some blocks, 13 blocks, and I want to create the next one. For example, the borrower will be John, Kate, and amount 1000. Submit, and I've got 14th block. It's a JSON object. Among inputted data, it has the hash of the previous block. And if I click the check button, it will check an entire blockchain and everything is okay. Let's change, for example, the third block. For example, I delete the 0 and then click check again. And it says that the block 3 was changed. Let's turn it back to the initial state. And everything again is alright. It's a very simple and I would say primitive project. A couple of Python functions and a small project with Flask and one HTML template. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.